Hi guys, I guess most of you have already joined the webinar. So let us start. So in this webinar, what I'll be discussing with you is how you can prepare for GATE 2018 and what should be your strategy. And also please note that this webinar will be applicable for all the branches, that is electrical, EC, mechanical and civil. So do not consider that it is only for electrical and EC. You can join if you are from any other branch as well. So on the screen, you can see the flow of the webinar. First, I'll introduce you to the GATE. So what I'll tell you is, even if you are a dropper and you are very well aware with the pattern of GATE, I'll start from the basic itself because some of the students in the webinar might not be knowing exactly what is GATE and what is the pattern of GATE. Okay. Then I'll move on to the syllabus, that is the different subjects that are asked in different streams and what is the average weightage of each subject. Then I'll tell you some of the recommended standard textbooks for each subject that you can follow. And then we will move on to the strategy based on whether you are a final year student, pre-final year student, dropout or a working person. And then we'll have certain FAQs which are the common doubts that you might be facing. And then I'll take all your queries regarding GATE 2018 prep. So first let us start with introducing to the GATE, that is what is GATE, why you should give GATE and how is GATE conducted. So first of all, what is GATE? GATE is basically graduate aptitude test in engineering, and it is asked on the basis of all the undergraduate subjects that you study up to the third year. Now, this exam is conducted by 7 IITs and IASC joint, and the organizing institute every year is rotated in a cycle. Now on your right, you can see I have listed down a table in which you can see in 2009 the conducting institute was IIT Roorkee. In 2017 also it was IIT Roorkee. So it is 8-year cycle in which the institutes are repeated. Based on that, what I can tell you is IIT Guwahati will be conducting the examination in 2018. But what is meant by organizing institute? It does not mean that that institute itself will be making the exam. So do not put extra efforts in recognizing which subject will be asked more and which will be less. It only means that that institute will be responsible for all the management, like making the website, like taking that. But exam will be made by professors under the guidance of MHRD, that is Ministry of Human Resource Development. Is GATE. So basically you need to prepare the subjects which you study in from first year up to the third year mostly. Now the question comes, why should I put all this effort and why should I go for GATE? Reason is M.Tech. If you want to take admission into M.Tech in a good college such as IIT or NIT, you need to have a valid percentile in GATE. The second is, if you wish to have a government job, if you wish to enter into PSU at a lucrative package of 8 to 15 lakhs, then also you need a GATE score. If you wish to get into PhD, in PhD nowadays you can directly get after B.Tech, no need to go through M.Tech. But they will also check your eligibility. And if you want to get into FPM, that is Fellowship Program in Management, in IIMs, if you want to get into, then you also have to get to the MS abroad. In NUS and NTU, you have to. If you wish to enter into teaching, then also you need to have a GATE percentile. All Power Corporation and Odisha Power Generation, Punjab State, you can enter through the GATE score. So opportunities that is available after GATE, it is essential that you go for GATE after. And what is the wonderful thing about GATE is that this exam only tests your subject that you have studied at your undergraduate level. So you need not do any extra study you are being taught in your B.Tech or BE applied in GATE. Now some of the indirect benefits. If you are a college student, you will definitely be technical questions, but if you have, then that technical base will already be other than forms such as sale, JTO, which have it, so that will give you an advantage advantage in GATE. Recruitment is sitting in campus. Resume mentions a good GATE rank. And the other thing, as I took some cast in GATE, so if you prepare for GATE, your BTech percentile will also improve. Now on your screen, you can see the benefits of M.Tech course. The first one is better job. Now, if you want to get into IIT or NIT, then you know already that there will be different companies that will be coming for recruitment, and they will be certainly better than the company coming for recruitment in the private colleges. So better job packages and better job profile. 1 minute. Guys, are you able to hear my audio now, or still there is a sound problem? So let me continue. As I was telling you what are different benefits of doing M.Tech, the first benefit that I told you was the higher pay packages as compared to private colleges. Then also you get to work in different industries like ISRO, DRDO, BARC and IITs for research opportunities, because you will be working under or you will be studying under different professors which have good contact in different industries. Then brand name will be associated with you, that is you will be called as IITian or NITian, and it will definitely help you through the placements. Then you will be getting a monthly stipend which will cover your basic expenses of fooding and lodging, and then you can basically focus on the studies. So there will be a pressure relieved from the shoulder of your families so that you can focus on studies and do not worry about the future. Then more career options, because once you are specialized you can get into teaching, research, core industries like that. And the last one is you will be specialized in certain subjects, so your skill will be built up. Now what is the recruitment procedure for M.Tech is 70% weightage will be given to GATE score, and rest of the 30% will be through the written examination or interview. The students getting good GATE rank can directly appear for interviews, while if some others do not have that good a GATE rank, but they will go through a written examination as well as a interview. So now as you can see, it is definitely better to upgrade from a private college into IIT or NIT for M.Tech in order to have a better job opportunity. Now on the screen, you can see some of the benefits of PSU. So first, let me tell you what is a PSU. PSU is basically a government-owned industry in which government owns 50%, 51% or more of the company's equity. And the government can be state government as well as union government. Now, what are the certain benefits of a PSU? So first is high pay package. The pay package varies between 8 lakhs to 15 lakhs, and it is significantly higher than the private IT industries such as TCS, Wipro, Infosys. then you will be definitely getting certain perks and allowance. Like in NTPC, your electricity will be subsidized. In IOCL, petrol will be available at a subsidized rate that can never be occurring in a private industry. Secondly, you will have a job security, that is, even if there is a recession, your job will be secured. You won't be fired from the industry. Then definitely you will get a public respect, because we know in our society government employees are much more respected as compared to private sector employees. Then you can get to work in a core sector in which your entire knowledge will be utilized, and your knowledge, whatever learning you have in your B.Tech, will not be wasted away. Then work life balance, because the hours or the timings of the job will be fixed, and if those timings are exceeded, then definitely you will get a compensation for that. Now on the screen you can see there are different PSUs that recruit through GATE, like ONGC, BPCL, BHEL, HPCL, Power Grid, NTPC, DDA, BEL, GAIL, MECL, IOCL, and HECL. In some of the industries, what we have listed is your CTC, that is cost to company, that is the total package, while in some others we have listed down the basic salary as per their advertisement. Now, overall, what you can understand in layman terms, you will be getting an enhanced salary of 55 to 60,000. So you need not worry about the payment. Now the question arises how to get into PSU. So the GATE score will be valid, or GATE score will be taken based on current year. That is, for current year, it will be taken from 60 to 80%, and the rest of the 20 to 40% will be from GD and personal interview. Once you qualify GATE, once you have a valid GATE score, you will get a call letter from PSU for appearing for interview. And once you sit through the interview and GD, you will be selected on the basis of score, GD, and personal interview. The same process is followed across all the PSUs. So you need to have a certain knowledge or certain command over English also to sit into a GD. Okay. At this point, I would like to mention that we have a special offer available for all the people attending the webinar, and it will only be for those people who are attending the webinar. So kindly wait till the end. Do not leave the webinar midway. Now, as I told you earlier, one of the opportunities through GATE is FPM, that is Fellowship Program in Management. So basically, this is a doctorate program that is conducted in IIMs, in which you get to work for 4 to 5 years, and your boarding and lodging is free. So you need to just cover your expenses of fooding, which can easily be covered in the stipend of 30,000 per month. What is the benefit? Basically, you are getting a management degree, and then through IIMs, you can be placed in leading banks and companies. Other opportunities through GATE are MS from foreign universities like NUS and NTU. Career in teaching will require you 75 percentile in GATE, and you also get to get into institutes like BARC and CSIR. And as I told you, state government industries like Punjab, West Bengal, and Odisha power generation are also considering the GATE score. Now, at this point of time, if you feel you need more clarity on any of these options, what I would recommend you is, after the webinar, kindly visit the respective website like NUS website, NTU website, or IEM website to know in more detail what kind of programs are conducted, what is the eligibility for each and every program. Okay, because these programs will also consider your 12th score, 10th score, and all those things. So how much percentage minimum is required to be eligible in each of the programs, you can take a look at from their advertisements given on their website. Why I do not wish to make a comment? Because that might get updated. So you need to have a clear data which you can find on the website. I don't want to give you just a vague idea. Now let us move on to the pattern in which GATE examination is conducted. So GATE is actually conducted for 21 engineering streams, including electrical, EC, mechanical, civil, and CS. Now, since the exam has gone online, it is being conducted in multiple sessions. In this year, it was conducted in 2 sessions for each branch. And in GATE examination, it accounts for 100 marks, in which 65 questions are asked. And questions are basically divided into 2 categories: objective type question and numerical answer type question. Out of these 100 marks, 15 marks are kept reserved for general aptitude, reasoning, and verbal aptitude, and 85 marks are for engineering mathematics and your engineering subjects. Now these 15 marks have 10 questions, 5 questions of 1 marks and 5 questions of 2 marks. These 85 marks have 25 questions of 1 mark and 30 questions of 2 mark. Now for numerical answer type question, you need to enter your answer using the virtual keyboard that will be provided on the screen. And these problems will not carry any negative mark, but what is the risk is the answer can vary between minus infinity to plus infinity. So you need to be very careful in your calculations. And other than that, objective questions, they will have a negative marking of 1/3 of the question weightage. That is, 1 mark question will have a negative marking of -1/3, and 2 mark question will have a negative marking of -2/3. So in objective question, you can get a negative mark, but in numerical answer type, you will not get any negative marks. Now, what are the features of the online examination? So one of the advantages is that you get to change your answer even at the last instant. That is, your answer will not be saved. If you can want to change it, you can change it. It is unlike the offline exam, in which once you have filled the ORS, you can never change it. In online, you can change it at any point of time. Then if you feel certain question is difficult, it is out of scope, you can mark that question and you can do it at the end. So what is the benefit of marking that question? The benefit is that on the right side of your screen, a palette will be shown in which you can directly jump to that particular question by clicking on the respective question number. So unlike offline exam, you do not need to scroll through the pages. You can directly jump on any question. But you need to have a habit of sitting in front of PC for 3 hours continuously, and that too with full concentration about giving examination. The other biggest benefit is that a timer will be available on your screen which will show you the time left, so that you cannot panic at any point of time and you need not even carry a watch to the gate examination. Okay, so this was basically the introduction to the gate examination. Now we will move to the next section, that is what is asked in gate examination. So first let us discuss about my stream, that is electrical engineering. Screen you can see different subjects that are listed like engineering maths, networks, field theory, digital, analog, control, signal, machine, power system, power electronics, measurement and aptitude. Here we have also listed weightage of different subjects like engineering maths on an average requires 12 marks. Okay, that is out of 100 marks, 12 marks will be allotted to engineering maths. Networks will be around 11 marks, field theory 5 marks, digital 4 marks, analog 4 marks, like that. So in this you can identify the major subjects are engineering maths, networks, machines, power system, aptitude. Now these 5 form the major portion of electrical engineering exam, as well as these are very bulky subject. That is why you can see on the right I have mentioned the number of hours required to complete these subjects. Okay, so the thing is that how I have listed down these number of hours. If you are attending classes, then also you need to put in these many hours, that is class plus self-study. But if you are doing it on your own, you can also cover in this much stipulated time, in which you have to cover the theory of a certain subject as well as the questions based on it. So as you can see in electrical engineering, minimum 750 hours will be required. So what you can do, if you form a daily schedule, that is you dedicate 3 to 4 hours each day, you can divide it by the number of hours each day, and you will get to know how many number of days are required for preparing electrical engineering. That way what you can do guys is you can take a screenshot, or the video will be available afterwards also. You can see the number of hours that I have allotted to each subject, and based on this you can form a schedule. Now the next thing is electronics and telecommunication. Again I have listed down the subject like maths, networks, EMT, digital, analog, control, signal, EDC, com and general ability. Now from the table you can see the major subjects are maths, communication, general ability, signal system as well as control system. So these are some of the major subjects, and they require a lot of effort, and mostly the communication system. It is one of the biggest subject in EC engineering. But guys, as you can see from the previous table as well as this table, the highest weightage is allotted to general aptitude and maths. So you cannot take these subjects lightly because many students in the past have done this mistake and they have suffered heavily. So I request you that you kindly dedicate time each day or a stipulated time so that you can get a command over these subjects. Otherwise, you can easily lose these marks which others might gain and get a good rank. Next is mechanical engineering. The subjects are maths, mechanics, machine design, theory of machine, FM, thermal, heat transfer, manufacturing and industrial. So the major subjects are engineering mathematics, again, science, thermal science and industrial engineering. Now in thermal science, basically I have counted for thermodynamics as well as applications of thermal sciences like RAC, IC engine and all those things. Okay. That is why if you see on the right, I have allotted a time of 150 hours for this subject. And as you can see, mechanical engineering is bulky as compared to electrical and EC. So you need to put in around 850 hours at minimum for this stream. Next is civil. Civil is actually more bulky. That is why I have divided into two parts. So the subjects are mathematics, mechanics, geotech, environmental, water resource engineering, transportation, surveying, then RCC, construction, steel structures, structural analysis. Subjects are engineering mathematics, geotech engineering, and water resource engineering. Okay. As you can see, water resource engineering includes four components: FM, fluid mechanics, open channel flow, OCF, hydrology, and irrigation. So that is why it requires almost 185 hours to cover it in entire sense. Okay. So the total number of hours are highest among all the branches, that is around 900 hours. Okay. So guys, this was the weightage of different subject that is asked in different streams. Now what I'll show you is, if you wish to study through the standard textbooks, you can see for which branch, which subject you need which textbook. So you can note it down, you can take a screenshot, or you can watch the video afterwards to know about it. In electrical engineering, basically, for engineering, maths and general ability, you can find Kreatryx book available on Amazon.in, which you can buy, which will give you the theory aspects as well as the problems for solving in each of the maths and the general aptitude. So you will find three books, that is numerical ability, verbal ability and engineering maths, on Amazon.in. Okay. For other subjects like networks, there is Haight and Camerly, field theory, SP State, digital, Anand Kumar, analog circuit, Boystead, control system, BC Co, other books like that only. Okay. But the thing is that for GATE examination, you need not study standard textbooks for each and every subject. Rather, you need to have a good command on problem solving. So what you can do, you can refer class notes, you can refer video lectures, you can refer the classes, offline classes. So need not study about standard textbooks in each of the subject. For the best way forward would be to buy certain study material, because standard textbooks would be too bulky and it will consume a lot of time without giving you any insight on how to solve any problem. Similarly, in EC, guys, you can note it down. Engineering, maths and aptitude is again Kreatryx. Then networks is Haight Camerly, EMFT, either Sadiku or Haight. Digital, Anand Kumar, analog, Boystead, controls, BC Co. Signal is Openham, communication is BP Lathi, EDC by Donald Neiman. Mechanical engineering, mechanics can be covered through SC Verma. The questions are very similar to what is asked in 12th examination. SOM is by Timoshenko, MD is VB Bhandari, TOM is by G. Ambekar, FM Subramaniam, Thermo is by PK Nag, heat transfer PK Nag, manufacturing Amitabh Ghosh, industrial OP Khanna, and IC engine by V. Ganeshan. Now the last one, civil. Mechanics has also been introduced in civil. So SC Verma, SOM, Timoshenko, Geotech, Gopal Ranjan. Environmental, SK Garg. Water resource engineering, SK Garg. Transportation, Khanna and Gusto. And surveying, BC Punamia. Construction, SK Duggal. Steel, SK Duggal. And structural by SS Bhavikatti. Okay. So these are certain books that you can follow for civil engineering. Now let us come to the most awaited section of this webinar, that is how to prepare for GATE. Now I have given you basic idea what is GATE examination and what are the books that you can refer. So the next thing is how you can plan your preparation before GATE 2018. First, let me discuss about the students who will be entering their third year in the month of June and July. That is, presently they will be in the fourth sem. So that means they will be eligible for GATE 2019, in which there are almost 2 years or 23 months available. You need to divide your preparation into these 2 years. In first year, what you can do for 12 months, that is till next February, you can cover 7 subjects, which must include engineering, maths, and general aptitude, guys. Okay, so kindly cover these subjects as soon as possible, maths and aptitude, because their concepts will be applied everywhere, and aptitude also sharpens your thinking ability, which will help you during the assignments. So it will be beneficial if you cover it right now. That will help you till the end. If I suppose around 12 to 13 subjects are asked, in second year I will be left with 5 to 6 subjects, which can be covered in a span of 6 months. But when you are making a schedule, kindly take into mind the prerequisites that are required before each subject. Like electrical guys will require network analysis before electrical machines. So kindly plan your preparation in that way. The other way for planning could also be subjects that are being taught to you in a semester. Like suppose in this semester I have, let us say, probability in mathematics. So what I can do, I can prepare probability side by side. That will help me through the college examinations, as well as it will prepare me for the GATE examination. Prepare in sync with your college curriculum. Then after those 6 months, dedicate the next 3 months for giving subject tests, as well as revising all the subjects I've already covered. And then you will be left with 2 months, December and January, in which you can give mock test as well as revise the course that you have covered. How to cover each of the subject when you are going it for the first time? Then since you have 2 years for GATE examination, you can refer to the standard textbooks, you can refer to the class notes, or you can refer to a study material that you have already purchased. Now I have already given you the names of the standard textbooks, so you can follow that for covering the GATE syllabus, as well as you can follow some of the question banks that are available in the market for solving the problems. Now, once you are revising in the 3 months, that time you can refer to the previous year questions, because you will be prepared with the subjects at once. So those questions will definitely help you in the GATE examination. What I would recommend you guys is dedicate time for GATE prep as well as college studies simultaneously. Why? Because otherwise during the examinations you will be out of touch, you will leave GATE completely, and you will only focus on college exams. But that will make you lose your touch with the GATE concepts. But if you are already examinations from the beginning itself, examinations also you can dedicate 1 hour or 2 hours each day for GATE examination. That will help you to the GATE exam. Okay, so do not drop GATE study completely during exam. Prepare for college exams also from the next. Is the final year students which are currently in your 6th sem. So there is almost 1 year till GATE 2018, that is almost 11 months till GATE. These 11 months you can dedicate 9 months to cover all the subjects, which include engineering, maths, as well as general ability. You have to start revision simultaneously. You cannot wait till the end. Once your course is completed, you will revise. Once you have covered 5 to 6 subjects, you can start revision. That is almost from the month of August or September. You can start your revision simultaneously while covering new subjects. Okay, once you have done 5 subjects, start revising the earlier ones. September to December you can revise and give subject test, and the last month, that is January, can be kept for revision as well as mock test. Now again, how to cover each subject? You can refer class notes, study material, or question banks that are available in the market. Okay, no need to go to standard textbooks because you do not have that much time at your hands. Then for revision, again, you guys also can refer previous year question bank. That is the most important part of preparation, because many questions will be exactly same as being asked in the previous years. Again, you also should dedicate time for college as well as GATE simultaneously. The next people are those who are taking a drop. Either it might be first drop or the second drop. So you can follow the same timeline as the final year students, but what should be the differences? The differences is you have to join a certain course like an online course or a classroom course. Why? Because you are taking a big risk by taking a drop. So I don't want you guys to go by yourself unless you have very good concepts or very good basics. Okay, and basics should not be on the basis what you think. You should not say that I have good basics already. You can test it out by giving a test, and if you get a good score, that means you have good basics. You can prepare by yourself. With the basic concepts, then basically you have to join a certain course like an online classroom or a rank improvement classes. Then you can dedicate 5 to 6 hours daily for classes and 5 to 6 hours for self-study. So guys, since you are taking a bigger risk as compared to freshers, you have to put in more effort as compared to them in order to get a good gate rank. And in the self-study, you should mostly focus on solving problems rather than studying theory, because theory aspects will be covered in the classroom itself. And at the same time, you have to apply for other examinations such as Coal India Limited, BARC, ISRO, all these examinations you have to apply simultaneously, so that you can at least by the end of the year you can certain job. Now, what about working professionals which are working in private or the government sector and want to get into a PSU? You can follow timeline as a final year student, but the difference would be, since you are working, you won't get time to attend offline classes. You can join an online course, and then for self-study as well as the live classes or the online lectures, you can dedicate 3 hours on weekdays and 8 to 10 hours on weekends. So guys, you have to put a stretch in the weekend. Why? Because in weekdays you will be working from 9 to 6, you won't get much time. Okay, so be prepared to put in 8 to 10 hours consistently on weekends. Now, how you can manage your times? In the time management, you have to watch videos as well as you have to practice problems. So in weekdays, you can watch 2 hours video and solve 1 hour problem. And on weekends, mostly you should solve problems and you can dedicate less time to the videos. And also you should appear for other exams like CIL and BARC. Now, one thing that I would like to stress here is why I am again and again focusing that you should appear for other examinations, because what happens if you are not going for other exams, then when you will appear for GATE, then you might get exam panic, and in that you might commit certain mistakes. But in your examinations from the beginning itself, that fear of the exam, okay, and in GATE your chances will be better performing. That is why appear for other examinations to soak in the exam environment, how exam is conducted, what kind of pressure you feel in the real time. So that will enable you to deal with the pressure that you will face while the GATE exam is conducted. Now, some of the problems that I observed were being faced by different students, I wish to discuss with you guys. So the first thing is that how to avoid committing mistakes. Now, the basic reason of committing a mistake is the short attention span. Now, due to social media and all these internet penetration, we are not able to focus on a single thing for a long amount of time. Now, what happens is either I may misread the question, which will make me or which will enable me to commit a mistake, or which will cause a mistake. Why? If you do not read the data correctly, then you will be substituted wrong values in the problem. Okay, that will give you a wrong answer. Other than that, you might compute incorrect result, or you might commit a calculation error. That will also be due to a short attention span. Or you might be confused with the formula because you are not paying attention to the question or certain details that are mentioned in the question. Like this year, what happened? The GATE paper was not that tough also, but there were certain points which might be overlooked if you do not have a good focus, and that will cause an error in the problem. Now, how to avoid this? First of all, since the GATE exam is conducted from 9 to 12 or 2 to 5, you need to keep a highest brain activity during this period. How you can do that? Like you can plan your studies that you are studying during this time. So it will make your focus, or it will improve your focus during these particular hours. Then you can read a problem twice before solving it. Why? Because that will that will avoid overlooking any of the facts that are given in the question. Then you should keep on revising the formulas that are given, or you can make a list of the formulas so that you do not forget any formula. And in the initial phase, like during the month of March, April, you should focus more on accuracy rather than speed, because speed will be enabled or speed will come once you are revising the subject. So in the first go, your focus should be on arriving at as many correct results as possible. That I saw was whether I should appear for GATE 2018 if I have already given GATE 2017. Now guys, if you have given GATE 2017 and it was your third or fourth attempt, then I would not recommend you to go for GATE 2018. 2017 was first or second attempt. One more attempt at GATE 2018. So if you are obtaining 30 to 40 marks in GATE 2017, you have to prepare for GATE via complete course like an online course or a classroom course, because your basics are not that good. But if you are obtaining above 50 marks, that means some of the subjects are very well covered. You can join a rank improvement batch and you can cover some of the advanced concepts in order to improve your score. So these were certain questions that I highlighted in the previous webinar and I wanted to answer in this one. So now I would like to update you with some of the features or some of the news that we have coming up. So the first thing is that Classroom 2018 batches at Kreatryx Saket Center in New Delhi will be starting on 1st of March. Capsule for electrical and ECE branches, that is an online video lecture course, is already available on our website, that is kreatryx.com. Rank improvement batch will be starting in first week of April after GATE results are announced. And we have special offer for webinar attendees. So you need to fill in the details in the Google form link that we have put in the live chat. And you have to mention the product which you are interested in. We will send you the payment link for that product. Okay. And also guys, I would like to urge you at this point to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we have some fantastic videos coming up which will help you through the preparation. We have some exciting videos, exciting plans for you guys. So if you have subscribed to our channel, you can easily view those videos. Okay. So now I would like to take the queries that you guys have put up in the live chat so that I can also see what issues you guys are facing and how can I help you with those. Okay. So it seems you guys have put a lot of queries here. So let me go one by one. And guys, I might also skip certain questions if it is repetitive. Do not get irritated. If I have already answered it, I won't answer it again. I'm telling you now. So kindly pay attention to other queries also which other guys have posted, because it might be the same issue that you are already facing. First is by Shubhendra. I got 58.66 in EC afternoon session. What are the chances in JT or PSU or IIT? So Shubhendra, what I would recommend you is watch our previous webinar video. There I have given a rank predictor in which it tells you what kind of rank you can get based on these marks and which opportunities will be available. Russia, which topic should I cover in analog for triple E gate? You should cover diodes, op-amps and BJT biasing. That is all. Can I prepare GATE with M.Tech from IIT or should I prepare for GATE only? Problem, my family can give me one more chance to prepare. So Sonu, since you are a final year student, it is better that you take a drop and do not go for GATE alongside any other opportunity, because your family is supportive. So go for it wholeheartedly. Abhishek Chaurasia, as a EE GATE aspirants, I have already answered this. Swati Agarwal, I am doing self-preparation. First, I am consulting study material of Made Easy. Then I am watching NPTEL lecture when I am revising a subject. Is this way correct? Swati, I think this way should be reversed. First, you should watch lectures and then you should go through the study material. Okay. Lectures will basically increase your speed when you are going through the study material. I am getting 52 marks in GATE. I do not want to do M.Tech. I really want to work in top PSU like IUCL. So Bhanu, you are very close to the cutoff for PSUs. What I would recommend you is you have to give the GATE one more chance and you can definitely improve your score from 52 to around 65, in which you will get a call from GATE PSUs. Next is Mohit Soni. Can I prepare IES and GATE together? If I join Kreatryx, how will I prepare for IES? At Kreatryx, what we'll do is we will cover all the technical portion required for IES as well as GATE, but we won't cover any of the non-tech subject, that is IES paper 1. So you can cover technical here and you can take a look at non-tech through the study material available in the market. Tulika Sarkar. When I start preparing for a subject and ended all the lectures, how could I show that I answer at least 95% of GATE question subject, or it takes some time? Not necessary after covering a subject once, you will be able to answer most of the problems. No, it won't happen. But after revising that subject, that is what I told you, that go for previous year GATE problems after revision only, then you will be able to answer most of those questions. But in the first go, you won't be able to answer many. So do not panic. It is normal. No one can answer all the GATE problems. Next is from Lakshmi Narayan. What should be my ideal score in GATE EEE to get all the benefits from GATE? Around 65 to 70 marks will enable you to get all the benefits from GATE. This is from Nilesh Rana. I'm in second year. I'm confused. How should I prepare for GATE 2019? So Nilesh, I have mentioned in the webinar video that how you can prepare for GATE 2019. Next is Srimanta Ghosh. Will I be eligible to sit at M.Tech campus placement if I at IITs if I have a drop of 2 or more years? Yes, you will be enabled or you will be eligible to sit in the placements. Sanchit Sharma. Sir, I am not able to decode lengthy questions in GATE exam. How can I improve over this for GATE 2018? So Sanchit, usually with the questions that are lengthy have a particular way of working out. That is, if you are solving subjective problems or problems given at the end of standard textbooks, then those are basically the lengthy problems that will give you a algorithm or a step-by-step approach to approach a bigger problem or a lengthy problem. Harshit Saxena, I am 26 and yet not cleared GATE. What is your advice for me? Harshit, I think it is high time that you moved on from GATE and try certain other examinations or a private sector job. Nikhil Pannu, how much after 7th pay commission? I think you can check it out on the website. I won't be the right person to answer this. Manish Sharma, my marks is 52 only in GATE E17. What should I do? Manish, you should join a rank improvement class at any institute and you can improve this score. Hanif, I am in 8th SEM. How should I prepare for GATE? I have for the droppers, since you are in 8th SEM, your BTech will be completed. So from the June month, you can join in order to prepare for GATE 2018. How many answers are wrong in GATE 2017 E set 1? So that post I have updated on GATE aspirants group. I think 3 answers given by GATE authorities are incorrect. Zurez's moment, should I join coaching institute or do self-study? Zurez, it only depends on how good are your basics. If you have good basics from the college itself, that is you belong to a very good college or a good background, you can prepare by self. But if you haven't got the basics, then you should join a coaching. Next is from J. Shrikant, GATE in mathematics for can get job. I think you can get M.Tech and then you can become a professor. But in PSU, there won't be any scope for GATE in mathematics. Please provide info for engineering sciences GATE pattern. Prabhat, actually, I don't have that information. You can check out the GATE brochure and you will know it better. Bhanu Pratap, how to get good concepts in machine, signal and power electronics. Bhanu, you can visit our blog, that is kreatryx.com/blog, whose link we will put up in the live chat. And there you will see the subject-wise blogs that are available. And you can figure out the strategy as well as the topics to be covered in each subject. Abhinav, sorry, we won't be able to tell about chemical engineering. At present, we don't have the data. Rajiv, which book should be preferred for machine and power electronics? I think I have showed you that in the webinar, Rajiv. Please rewind the video and see that. Aman Sastri, please provide details for the new plan leashed with only problems and please launch it as early as possible. Aman Sastri, actually, we are launching a crash video plan this year, whose demo videos you can see it on our channel for the machines, as well as we are launching a rank improvement batch from April. So kindly tell us which thing you are interested in. We will be able to provide with the details. Rituja Desai, yes, I am Ankit Goel, no one else. Suman Kumar, inform me about rank improvement batch for EE in Kreatryx. Suman, that batch will be conducted at the Kreatryx Sake Center in New Delhi, and its classes will start from April first week after GATE results are arrived. So we will put up the notification soon. Mayank Sharma, IIT Guwahati will be able to conduct this year GATE exam. Will you suggest how many hours in general one should study for EE GATE? I showed you 750. Vishnu Mukandan, how to manage college and semester exams along with GATE. So that is what I told you, Vishnu. You should prepare for college exams from the beginning itself, not in the last week of the examination. Will give you a better concept, and that will also save a lot of time and effort during the examinations. Dedicate 1 or 1.5 hour each day for college studies, both simultaneously. Naveen, yes, we will be soon conducting ESC 2018 also. We will tell a strategy about that. We are start batch for GATE. Soumyata Sherlock Holmes, which topic should I focus more in mathematics? Soumyata, actually, every year there is one question from each chapter in mathematics. So you cannot leave out any of the chapter. Very important. Release special course for working professional. Actually, SD, we have an online course in which we are providing the video lectures. You can purchase that this year. In which month your test series will start? In the month of June. Somu Saurabh, if college lectures adapt more time, more comprehensive, up-to-date teaching approach, I don't think we need coaching for MBA. Opinion, I don't think that is relevant to what we are doing. So are real lectures sufficient for concepts? Yes, those are sufficient for concepts, but they won't teach you the problem. So I guess if you are joining any course or any, will be teach you the concepts required for GATE. Sagar Divangan, how to stick to the plan? Prepare a weekly or a monthly plan and stick it on your wall, and then you can stick to the plan. Jitendra Pani, I am very interested in to crack the GATE exam, but how to crack I don't know. That is what this webinar has been all about. You can watch the video and you can learn how to crack GATE exam. If I purchase Zeta course, then I am provided with hard copy of notes. Yes. Agarwal, can problem solving videos be added to take Zeta plan? No, problem solving videos will not be available. Somu, I have serious problem with unnecessary elective and compulsory subject in each semester. Elective subjects, you can choose the easier ones, which will give you marks as well as grades, and they won't consume much of the time. Will there be any online rank improvement course? No, Saurabh, there won't be anything like that. I don't think we'll be able to subject-wise classes online this year. Does concept course by Kreatryx include the problem that you guys have? Concept course actually involves a lot of questions subject, and those questions are very standard ones, very good questions. And if you solve those questions, definitely you can get a command over each subject. Next is Manas Ranjan. I am selected in BSNL TTA and I have scored 50.35 in E-Session 2. M.Tech or BSNL TTA? So actually you should go for BSNL TTA, and in the meanwhile you can give examination again next year in order to crack rank. Course structure for rank improvement batches. Bhanu, we will release it soon on our website in the free download section. You can check it out then. I am in second year. When should I start my preparation? So Bhanu, after this semester or during even this semester, you can start your preparation. No need to wait for anything. Rank improvement classes, as I told you, we will be releasing the notification soon. Sir, I tell you tell you to please let us know preparation strategy for ISRO, whose syllabus is quite unclear. So Ram, what I can suggest, put up this query on the GATE aspirants group, because there might be many people who have already appeared for that exam and they will be able to guide you through it. Mohit Soni, classroom program only in March or June. It will be in June also. From June 15th it will start. I gave GATE mechanical in 2018 and I have very poor basic. What advice would you give to someone like me? So Tanmay, classroom course will be best for you in any of the institute. Why? Because they will teach you from the basics and you can build your concepts. Is it fine to join M.Tech after a gap of 2 years? Yeah, Tanmay, it is fine. You can join it anytime. Chandrasekhar Reddy, which are subjects are important in mechanical engineering and have good weightage? So Chandrasekhar, I have showed the weightage for mechanical students also in the webinar. You can rewind the video and check it out. Next is Nitesh Kushwa. When GATE coaching are joined, there are 2 batches, one in March and one in June. Srimanta Ghosh, does year drop matter in M.Tech in placements? I don't think so if you have a valid reason for the drop. Mayank Sahu, I'm using concept material and I felt it is good, but should I go for any other material? Mayank, you can go for previous year question bank. Other than that, concept and crash are sufficient. Lakshya, from where I can find more question other than GATE and ESE paper? You can purchase a study material from Kreatryx. It has different questions from the previous year GATE and ESE. What is the structure for fees for capsule course, including fees details? So either you can mail us Prashil, we'll be able to better reply to your query, or otherwise you can go to our website kreatryx.com. There all the fees details have been mentioned. Prakhar Gupta, what is the Kreatryx code for rank improvement batch? Prakhar, you can fill the form that way, the link that we have uploaded, and we'll contact you soon. Ram Prasad, opportunities for M.Tech student restricted for only those students who did their B.Tech from IIT? No, I don't think so. M.Tech students are eligible for placement regardless from where did they do their B.Tech. Working in TCS and I'm from electrical. Can I do M.Tech in CS? Do is, yes, you can do M.Tech from CS, but you should criteria on IIT website and then better. Amit Gupta, I gave GATE 2017, but not goes good, and I have financial problem. What can I do? Amit, if you have a financial problem, what I'd recommend is try to join a job and alongside you can prepare for GATE so that you can support your family financially if you are not able to give GATE wholeheartedly or taking a drop. Ram Sharma, Tanmay Singh, how much minimum one should score in EE for doing M.Tech at IITs? Around 60 marks. Ram Sharma, please tell me about your rank improvement batch. The details will be uploaded in the free download section. Vinash Kumar, are video lectures for individual subject available? No, it is not. Aman Sastri, please provide details of newly launched courses with only problems I got for this year and launch it as soon as possible. Is our rank improvement batch that will definitely enable you go from 54 to around 65 to 70 marks. How to get rid of silly mistakes, that Bhanu I have already told in the webinar. This year all video lectures will be uploaded from starting, which were not available previous year. So Shovan, we are basically updating the study material, but video lectures will be the same and they will be available from the beginning itself. Okay, all the lectures. To prepare for both GATE and IES simultaneously or not? Mohit, actually I don't recommend it personally. Why? Because that time you have to prepare for non-tech as well as tech and it will get quite hectic. I have scored 58.2% in 12th standard but have 7.66 CGPA. What are the chances in GATE? Actually, GATE does not require any eligibility criteria in 12th, but PSUs and M.Tech do require a certain percentage in 12th. So you can check out their website to check the eligibility. Nutha Kanti, I'm interested in e-handbook Kreatryx. So actually e-handbook is not yet available. What you can do is you can go for crash course which will be launched around August or September. Is it enough to read concept theory bank? Yes, it is enough. All the concepts have been listed in good detail. Manish Sharma, where can I get more for GATE CSE? You can via standard question bank. that is available in the market from different publishers, and you will get certain questions. Ravikant, up in E 1000 to 2000 rank. This year I am targeting 52.33. Passed out 2014 with good CGPA and jobs experience, LNT 2 year. Is it advisable to do M.Tech and prepare for GATE? Yes, Ravikant, if you're getting 52 marks, if you really work hard, you can go above 60. I'm working in Prasar Bharati. I have 3 attempts for GATE, but never scored. I'm 26. Every time I feel I lack preparation, should I give it a final go? So Rohit, if you have made up your mind that you can give it one more time and not any more than that, then I guess you can go for GATE. But keep in mind, this is your final chance. You won't be appearing for GATE after this, and you will move on from this if you are not able to succeed this time. That will also keep a risk factor involved, and that will give you a final push, or it will give you a motivation in order to do well this year. I am third year student of instrumentation. Can I start preparing for GATE exam? Yes, you can start. And to give BARC ISRO if I am preparing for GATE 2018. The forms will be released. You can check their notification, or about that news will spread on the GATE aspirants group, and then you can fill it. Conduct webinar for ESC also soon. Sajal, how to download the video? Actually, this video will be available on YouTube. You can download from YouTube. Lakshay, where can I find more questions relevant for GATE other than GATE and ESC question bank? As I told you, either study material or the question banks that are available in market. Himani Shah, which test series to join? There are different test series whose feedback you can get on the GATE aspirants group from different students. This time I've done a lot of hard work and solved GATE and ES previous year. 45 marks. How can I get more new question? So Nishant, you can purchase our concept or crash study material that has new question other than the GATE and ESC previous year. Vishal Kumar, I am solving concept until now. I have completed network and machine. I am only able to solve 60% of the question. Well, actually, the questions given in concept are very good. If you are able to solve 60%, it is fine. After concept, you should solve previous year question bank, and then you will get to know whether you are on the right track or not. Which stream has higher chances of better placement? IIT Bombay, Control, or IIT Kharagpur Power System? I think you should check their placement status, because it will keep on varying every year. So whatever is the latest status, that will give you a better idea. I am from Hyderabad. How many months will it take for rank improvement batch in Delhi? Aman, actually, the rank improvement batch will depend on which subjects you want to study in complete details. So we will launch the schedule as well as the details of rank improvement batch soon. There is Electrical Machine Fundamental by Stephen Chapman book enough for electrical machines? So I think you can follow Chapman for theory and PS Bimra for problem solving. That will be sufficient. So Ram Sharma, we haven't yet launched the rank improvement batch officially. We will launch it soon. That is why details are not available on the website. Achal Ranganathan, I am weak in basics of electrical engineering, from where I can learn basics of EEE. I think you should refer to the network subject. In networks, if you are very good, then you will get to learn the basics of electrical engineering. To all those people who are feeling that it is good webinar, so I would like to thank you all. The next is by handbooks of each subject of Kreatryx. Prashant, this year we may launch certain loose books which will be available on Amazon, but nothing official yet. But yes, an official notification will be released soon, which books will be available this year. Please give me suggestions. I heard PSUs are not recruiting through GATE 2018. Gaurav, actually these sort of news are spread every year. Last year it was about GATE 2017, this year about GATE 2018. So do not bother about these news unless otherwise there is an official notification released by the PSUs. Confidence of concept but somehow not able to get good rank. Main reason which I found is taking too much problem after completing it. How to avoid it? So Ravikant, once you have completed a problem, move to the next problem and keep the last half hour of the exam for revision. Do not revise every problem after solving it. I'm getting 61 marks in EC 2017 and working in TCS. Which college should I apply? Apply for all the colleges, because by chance if you get a call from any good college, you must not miss it. Aman Sharma, how to manage college as well as GATE study? We need minimum 85% attendance. So at the end of the day, I am drained. So coming from college, you can take 1 hour rest and then you can start self-study or preparing for gate. You just need not start gate as soon as you come back from the college. Mukund, which book is the best book for general aptitude? Mukund, what I would recommend is buy Kreatryx book from Amazon.in. That will help you immensely. Gaurav Pandey, do you provide coaching for civil engineering 2018? Gaurav, we are currently providing coaching for electrical and EC. So no, not for civil. Online course is useful or not? Actually, it is quite useful as you can get a feedback from the GATE aspirants group. Dreamer Achievers, sir, I have already done a coaching but weak on subjects like signal and EMT. Dreamer, actually, you can refer Oppenheim and Wilsky for signals and for EMT, SP SAT for electrical engineering, and that will give you a command over these subjects. Chandrasekhar, I have already told important subjects for mechanical. Sharma, I have joined engineering after completing diploma. My mathematics is too weak. How should I cover my mathematics? You can purchase Kreatryx engineering mathematics books from Amazon.in and it will help you. Bhanu, how to maintain pace with revision and how to do it effectively? Mostly focus on solving problems during revision rather than studying theory again and again. Sanchit, I am getting 57 marks in E. I want to improve so that I can be in top 10. Will rank improvement batch help me in achieving this? Yes, it will help you definitely. Sir, please provide course for instrumentation. Rihanna, we might provide the course this year, but nothing official yet. But yes, you can wait for some time. We will release an official notification if we are going to do it this year. Please tell me more scoring subject in electrical, network, control, digital, maths and aptitude. These are scoring subjects. Aman Sharma, how to manage college and gate studies? That I have already answered. Ajay Singh, 3 marks. What should I do? You should apply for M.Tech whenever the forms are coming out. Sujit Mandaloi, I am getting 61 marks in EC. Which college should I apply? I have already answered. Needed to get into MS from IIT and what is the future prospect? Bharat Singh, actually you need a rank of around under 1000 or under 500 in order to get in IIT. Prabhat Kumar, best book for power electronics. Actually it is PS Bimra, Signal System, Oppenheim Wilsky. Achamal Ranganathan, any Kreatryx branch in Chennai? No, there is no Kreatryx branch. If any you find in Chennai, that is a fraud. We don't have any branch in Chennai. Rishikesh Jagtap, I got 30 marks in GATE. Can I do M.Tech and GATE again parallelly? Rishikesh, I don't think you can do it parallelly as already your GATE score is quite less. Even if you do it parallelly, you can gain 10-15 marks, but not more than that. Mayank Kumar Singh, I am getting 33.6. Can I do self-study or should I join any video lecture program? Mayank, I think you should join a classroom program that will help you more as compared to online or any other course. Pranav Padmasali, how much time is needed for each subject in computer science? Data right now for CS. Rajkumar, I registered for Kreatryx mock test, but they never activated my account. Gaurav Sharma, PSU recruit in GATE in 2018 or not? Yes, they will recruit. Prashant, I got 40 marks in GATE 2017. Problem. So Prashant, I think you can give one more year for GATE preparation if you are not having any financial problem. Getting 63 number in mechanical engineering. What should I do? 63 marks is quite less in mechanical engineering. You can appear. Sanat Kumar Sahu, I am final year student. I have taken 1 year coaching at Bhubaneswar Ace Academy. This time marks around 30. What should I do? Even if after coaching you are getting only 30 marks, I think you should move on and you should try some other aspects. How to improve basics of subjects for E? Improved by standard textbooks or the video lectures. Nikhil Anand, I dropped 1 year and I am getting 50 marks in GATE EC. What should I do? Drop one more year or join rank improvement batch? In EC, I think for 50 marks, you should drop for one more year and not just for rank improvement. Why? Because in electrical, 50 is a very good GATE score, but in EC, it is only an average score. What is criteria for BE marks? That Pranav, that varies from college to college. Society, I'm 2016 past third time. How to prepare this year? So Santu, as I have told throughout the webinar, the different strategy that you can follow. I'm second year student, how to start preparation for GATE, that I have told in the webinar for the second year student as well as. I'm 2015 E pass out. This was my first attempt. I have started preparation only in October 16. You have started preparation in October and you are scoring 43 marks, then I think you can join a coaching or a video lecture course, and definitely you will be able to do much better in GATE 2018. Necessary, Rajan, actually no book is necessary, but yes, it does contain certain good questions. Pradhan, I'm getting 61 marks in E. This time I made 8 silly mistake, only one correct question out of these 8. Chance to get to PSU. Should I try next time? I am 26 now. Shrikanta, do not lose hope this year. You may get a chance to get into PSU this year as well. So I think after the PSU interviews are over, if you want to appear for GATE again, decide that in June. But first explore all the opportunities like other examinations like CIL and BAC. Swati Agarwal, if I take Zeta plan that I have studied from standard book, lecture or first go through the study material. Actually, first see the lecture, then go through the study material and then solve the problems based on that subject. Sonu Kumar, I have already watched your capsule. My score is 50. I am final year. I joined Klassroom program. Actually, Sonu, you should come for rank improvement course. That will help you more. Honey, I am in Reliance since 1.7 year. I should prepare with job but not getting good marks. Should I go for GPSC exam? I think SD you can go for other examinations like GPSC, but you are telling in Gujarat state, you can give those exams. Dhruba Jyoti, I am 2016 a call from 2018 PSU will be disadvantage of dropping 2 years. No, I don't think so. That will matter in the interview. Know which forms to fill, but I would recommend fill all the forms. Do not that you never know, you may get lucky in one of the PSUs. Necessary your previous year GATE question are sufficient. Questions will not be sufficient. You need to solve certain question bank, and Kanodia will be good for that. PSUs will recruit through GATE even if they are getting into IITs. Do not think about that. Prepare for GATE. Any Kreatryx GATE lecture notes available in website. GATE lectures are available on the website, but you have to purchase a plan for that. Start in GATE EC. I am in second year. I have already told you how to start. Which stream is good for doing M.Tech in EE? Controller, power electronics from IIT or ISC. I think power electronics will be better. Which are the standard books to refer? Standard books I have already told you. Rohit, thanks for the comment that you have put up. How to identify hardness of a question in GATE exam? If you are not able to do it, then it is hard. Move on. That. Devanshu Naman, I am getting around 39 in GATE 2017 mechanical. Should I go for preparation? Actually, Devanshu, I think you should move on if you are only getting 39 marks in GATE mechanical. Even if you improve, you can get 60, 70 marks, but that also would not be sufficient for you. Okay. Amresh Aman, actually offline tests will be conducted in classroom program after completion of each subject. In big subjects like machine power system, sub tests will be conducted after each chapter also. Always got more than 60 plus in mock, but I'm going to give it one final year shot. So Ravikant, you can join M.Tech and then you can give GATE one more time. Nikhil Kamath, is your classroom located in Mumbai? Only located in Saket, and we are only provide coaching for electrical and DC. I am getting 65 in E 2017. I have job in L&T. Can I get PSU better than L&T? Yes, you will definitely get a PSU better than L&T. For GATE 2018 from June, how many hours I need to study per day? So actually, you need to study around 5 to 6 hours per day in order to crack the GATE exam. Prabhat Kumar, I got 40 marks. I go for M.Tech. Yes, you can go for M.Tech. Vikas Devangan, can you provide coaching for instrumentation? Right now we haven't committed, but yes, we may provide this year. I'm getting 43.66 marks in session 2. How much rank? Actually, Naveen, you can view our rank predictor blog on our website, and then you will know how much rank you can get. Ajay, I'm getting 88 marks in mechanical. Which PSU I can get? I think you can get a call from almost all the PSUs, so need not worry about that. Murari Lal, I'm third year student in electrical. I want to start GATE self study, but there is 75% attendance necessary. Then what should I do? Video lectures during your college hours, and then you can practice while you come home. Okay, that you can do, Murari. Rose, I'm in third year civil. How much time should I invest per day in GATE preparation? So as I told you, around 900 hours are required. Suppose we have 300 days, that means 3 hours each day. You can devote more time on weekends. Which site to follow to find out which forms to fill? Sajal, actually you can post this query on GATE aspirants group, and all the people which are filling the forms will guide you better. Arkendu Banerjee, I have done MSc in CSE from distance mode. Am I eligible for GATE? Yes, you are eligible for GATE. Nilesh Rana, which subject should I prepare first for GATE E? Network analysis. I'm getting 29 marks in GATE Civil, but will my approximate score and rank? So I think the rank would not be sufficient enough to get any opportunity after GATE. What is the price of GATE ECE test series? Around 1000. It will be launched in June. Shrikanta, I'm 26, working in good MNC. Is it better to join M.Tech? As PSU is difficult for 61.33 in E. I think you should continue working in your MNC and you can improve your score next year. Do not go for M.Tech, I feel. Akhilji Augustine, I have scored 43 marks. Is there any chance to get into top 4 NITs? I don't think so. It will be very difficult, Akhil, at 43 marks. Sachin Rati, which you please answered marks required for getting power grid BPCL. Sachin, actually I answered that question in the previous webinar. So kindly check that webinar video available on our YouTube channel. Ajay Singh, minimum marks in mechanical engineering to get a PSU call, I think 85 marks. Nikhil Anand, getting 50 marks in EC GATE 2017, whether or not should join NIT for M.Tech. In 50 marks, if you are getting in EC, I think you should join a rank improvement batch. So you can drop one more year and prepare for GATE again. Sandhya, is it coaching important from GATE? I am from civil engineering 4th sem. If your basics are not very good, Sandhya, then coaching is required. But if you are from a good college, then it is not required. What is the minimum marks rank required for ECE to join ISC Bangalore? Under 100 rank is required. Supriyanta Podar, I am second year IT student. How can I start preparation? In second year, what you can do is, I have listed down in the webinar. Please rewind the video and watch it. Preetam Kumar Roy. I am getting 25 in SC category. Will I get any NIT? I don't think so. Sonu Kumar, 2-year drop after 12. Is it any problem for getting PSU? I don't think drop matters in PSU. Can you provide syllabus for instrumentation engineering? Because it is available on GATE website. Kunal Saurav, I am getting 52 marks. Problem is signal analog. How to do that? Either you can watch video lectures available online, or you can join a rank improvement batch if you want to improve upon that. How to improve communication and EMT? You need to solve as many problems as possible from Shom series or any other book, then that will improve. Priyanshu Singh, 51 marks in E. What to do? GATE preparation, M.Tech plus GATE preparation. After 51 marks, I think you should go for a rank improvement batch. That will help you improve your score. Sachin Rati, please mention title of video for which minimum marks. Actually, it is just the latest video, marks versus opportunity after GATE 2017. That is available on our YouTube channel. 71 marks in mechanical. I think you should get M.Tech in NIT or IIT, but PSU would be difficult. Kumar Anand, I'm 2013 pass out and joined MADESI, but I never scored marks. What should I do? Actually, Kumar Anand, you should move on. You should not try GATE again because this is very less marks. I don't think you can improve much beyond that. Ajay Singh, can I get M.Tech from NIT with 60 number in mechanical? In mechanical with 60 marks, you will get a call from NIT, but I don't think it will be from the top NIT. Should I refer study material coaching or standard textbook? In second year, standard textbook will be beneficial, but in third year, I think study material will be more beneficial. How to prepare for EMT and power system? Naveen, you can watch our blog. There subject-wise tips are listed and you can prepare for that. So guys, at this point, I would like to conclude this webinar. I had a really nice time answering all your queries, and I really hope that this webinar was helpful for you guys. And we'll conduct few more webinars in the future. You can attend that, and again you can connect to me via live chat, and I'll be answering your queries. Thank you for this webinar. So I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.